I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Or, you know, hey, back and forth each other as far as that goes. But
let's go to bed. What up, YouTube gang? Welcome back to another video. So yesterday's video finished up in the afternoon, and then we went back to halfway hangs and finished off the show. So we did the awards. That ran heaps later than we thought, and we did not leave until I think it was closer to like 10 p.m. As you can see from the earlier clip, we got back to my house at 1:30 in the morning. I probably got to bed about 2-ish, and then I was up again at 6. So running off 4 hours sleep, but we're on our way to Archerfield Drift Park, and there is the AdamLZ Drift Day about to happen. It's like a 2 and a bit hour drive, so hopefully we're there in about that time, because otherwise we'll be running late. And we have about 400 of AdamLZ's t-shirts that I printed that need to be delivered. So yeah, it's gonna be a bloody long day, Dave.
I'm so tired.
Dave's wrecked. All right, let's stop the servo, get some coffee, and then we're gonna smash our way to Brisbane. Obviously we made it to Archerfield. Holy crap, there are so many people here already, and it's like 20 past 8 in the morning. The event doesn't actually start until 10. Hey. And yeah, it is just fucking mayhem. So yeah, we're gonna go in, see what the go is, and see what we can and can't do. So hopefully they let me set up a stall, because I need money. So we are set up out here. Holy shit, there is so many people here. Like, I knew AdamLZ was popular, but I did not think this popular. I'm gonna go stand on this barrel over here. Nah, it's good. Everyone's here for me. Yeah. No, that's bullshit. I walked past the whole lineup before. Not one person said hi. I was like, oh, they don't care about me.
They don't know who you are.
They don't know who Queensland drifting is.
Oh yeah, no. So you don't even
know. Holy shit. That's so many people. Who's excited? Yeah! Woo! Everyone's here to see me, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what I wanted to hear. Alright, so we are ready to do some laps. I've been selling merchandise for the last like 3 hours. It's now like, what time is it, 1 o'clock?
Around 1, yeah.
Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock. I've been here since 8, so that's how long it took me to get ready. Big shout out to Timmy, sorting out my wiring for me. And yeah, I'll switch over to the GoPro now, and we'll do some helmet cam and drive Archie.
Yay, pick us driving. Only took me a while.
real intimidating having a crowd like down next to you the whole way. Like there's so many fucking, dude, all you can see in your peripherals is just people. And you're like, oh! That's sick.
Yeah, it's sick. I dig it though.
Those laps were insane. This thing is stupid fun. Like, stupid fun. I'm so glad I got a Corolla again. So glad. Yeah, Timmy's telling me
Pick your wheel up like yay high is.
yeah. She's picking a wheel. It feels terrible when it picks a wheel because the rest of the car scrapes on the ground, but that's cool. Yeah, shout out to mums on the way to get me a beverage so I can be hydrated again because this is so hot.
It is real hard.
But fun. My car only got to like 120 degrees oil temp. So I don't have a water temp gauge yet, so I don't know how hot that is water temp wise, but that was like 6 or 7 hot laps. So that's pretty good, I'm okay with that. So the issue yesterday when it was getting hot must have literally just been one of my fans not working. So it was just getting hot after like 2-3 laps. But yeah, stoked. Yeah, hopefully just gotta do heaps more laps. So that's a good day. That's a good day.
Some dude had a job.
So that is the lineup for autographs with AdamLZ. That is literally insane. Hashtag goals. Yeah, so as you can see from the videos, my car fucking broke again. I have the worst coils in the world. I'm gonna replace all of them, buy some fucking spares, and I don't have to worry about it again. Dave holding it down on the merch store all weekend, and Emily yesterday, oh the other day, she's the best. Yeah, that's pretty much us done. So we're gonna pack all this up, load the car up, and then make our way home, and I'm gonna sleep forever.
How you gotta work tomorrow?
Oh yeah, I have to work tomorrow, that's terrible. Anyway, thanks for watching the videos. Yeah. Thanks for watching the videos. Today was fun, I did like 10 laps, but that was cool, whatever. This car's kicking my ass this weekend. Anyway, comment on the videos, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you guys next week.